Alright guys, Modern Day Rob coming at you here today in the Bay. Sometimes we talk about parts we install, parts we sell. Sometimes we talk about how to do things. This one's just one of those days of frustration. We're doing a clutch on a 2014 Jeep Compass here. I got it in. You know what? Be a great car. Go ahead and put the clutch in it. We knew it was well maintained, safety inspected, all that stuff. Put it together for my kids to go learn in and see what happens, right? Worst case scenario, they burn the clutch out and I scrap it, but at least we got some use out of it. So we called up our local AutoZone and we said, okay, buddy, send us a clutch. They sent us clutch, pressure plate, throttle bearing combo kit. First time we did the job, took a solid day because all the bolts rusted and everything. Went ahead, put the parts in, and then as we were trying to bleed the clutch, we had brake fluid coming from between the bell housing and the engine. And we're like, okay, the only thing that could be is the throttle bearing. So I said, okay, pull it back apart, called my AutoZone up, said, hey guys, you're going to have a labor claim on this, just put this part in. Something's wrong. So we pulled the old throttle bearing off, got to look at it, said what could have went wrong. You know, first thing I did was I asked my tech, did you put a new O-ring in that? He said, yes, sir. I said, okay. Well, you can't see it, but down inside here, there's actually scoring where the O-ring goes. So I said, okay, you know what? Go ahead and change it out, all that good stuff. The part came in, he started putting it back together. I said, I want to get a look at that before he gets it back together. I came out. He was running a little quicker than I expected. Had the throttle bearing in the transmission. And I come out and I looked at it and I noticed, as I'm looking at it, I'm like, wait a minute, this one's got a little check valve here and this is metal, not plastic. Wow, you know what? Did they send me the upgraded part? Because I just wanted the Duralast cheaper clutch kit. So, you know, what's going on here? So I'm like, okay, you know what? Let's take a look at it. My tech says, well, Rob, he goes, you know what? He says, a couple things were different. I said, what? He goes, well, he said the first one that came in, it was bolted where the factory one was riveted. So here's the factory one. And you see where they're riveted together. And then he said this one was bolted. He goes, I didn't think nothing of it, aftermarket. He said I put it together, I torqued it, Loctited it, and then I marked all my bolts to show you that I torqued them. I'm like, well, are you sure these are the same part number? We looked. They are the same part number. The fancier looking clutch came in the nicer looking box. I'm like, well, maybe they just did an upgrade. He goes, yeah, Rob. He goes, but there's a problem here. And I said, what's the other problem? And he goes, well, if you look at the new clutch that we got in, there's score marks on this plate in here. And this piece doesn't quite stick out as far. So I said, okay, you know what? And I said, also, wait a minute, we got the cooling fins here. We got these little springs. I'm not a big stick shift guy. But I started saying, okay, this car, there's some differences here. We need to figure out what's going on. Called back up to my AutoZone, being a commercial account. The commercial manager came down, spoke with us. I'm like, look, we're already in the middle of a labor claim here because we had to pull the first one apart. What's going on here? You know, are we going to start a second labor claim? Going to make this right? What are we doing? And he said, yeah, Rob, we'll get you another clutch. I said, okay, great. Get it here. You know, if I'm losing an hour out of the day. Another frustrating day in the Bay. Part can't be here till Monday. It's 2 o'clock, 2:30 on a Friday afternoon. So now we got to end our day early, and first thing Monday, come back to this piece. But just wanted to share some frustration that happens when you get the wrong part. That's why we do our job at Modern Day, to try to make sure that we have the right parts. But if you like this content, like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.